Hello friends, Sheila here with Homeworker Models and Twilight Builders, back at our job site again today. Coffee and Construction Arcadia, episode 40. Oh my goodness, I've got some awesome progress to show you. As you can see over my left shoulder, it might look like my right shoulder, we've got tile guys in here working on the master bathroom shower. They've already done some work in the hall bath, but they're getting all the wallboard put in so that we can get them started. That's fantastic. Okay, so we've got our engineered wood floors going in. These guys are out here. Tom's crew with American Classic Floors is out here putting in this engineered wood floor. We're doing it as a glue down application. Homeowners just don't want any shifting or movement in the floor itself while they're using it. And as you can see, they've got a fabulous female on their crew, as well as these two handsome gentlemen. And they're out here just working so hard to get these floors in for us. You also might have caught a glimpse of our cabinets. Our custom cabinets for the kitchen have started to go in. Oh, they're looking so fantastic. That pink color on the front side of those is the Sherwin-Williams Acacia. I think it's Acacia, oh, I forget the other name to it. Acacia Cove, maybe? Oh, all right, but as you can see, we've got some fantastic progress going on in here. I think we've also got baseboards in the laundry room. Oh, they're just doing so good, and I'm making noise, tripping all over things, but there we are. Friends, for Coffee and Construction in Arcadia, thank you for being here on this journey with us. We so appreciate it. Take great care of yourself. You're the best you. You've got it.